Guys, thank you for joining with Edunations with another video. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create Zoom invitation link, and through that, how you need to join for the relevant Zoom meeting. So, hope you guys have enjoyed my previous video on the introduction about Zoom session, the, the Zoom interface, how to create the Zoom link, and the basic introduction. So, I'm putting that my previous link here also. So please, if you haven't watched that, please, I kindly invite you to go and watch my the first basic introduction about the Zoom interface and the other things. So in this video, uh, I'm giving you a briefing of how to log into Zoom. I'm not going much deeper than my previous video. This is the interface you need to log, and you need to create the basic details, and through that you can sign up the Zoom interface. So after that, I'm logging to my Zoom interface as instructed here. So here I'm going to uh, teach you how to create Zoom meeting link. So first of all, you need to, once you log into the interface, on your left hand side there will be several tabs which is showing, such as profile, meetings, webinar, phone, your whiteboard, recording settings, and your admin panel will available there likewise. So I'm clicking the meeting. So once I click in the meeting, the interface will be look like this. So for up to now I have uh, not uh, set up any meeting, so therefore I'm going to give the basic idea of how to create the schedule the meeting. So in on your right hand side there will be a tab called schedule meeting, so I'm clicking that. Right, so either you can keep whatever the tip give the topic for the relevant meeting. So if you have belongs HR, marketing, or the production, or the finance, based on your preference you can do the topic here. So for the testing purposes only, since I'm testing this, I'm using testing 1 as my meeting topic. And when I need to have the meeting, Zoom meeting, so I'm selecting 17th. What time to what? I need morning 10 to right. When it comes to this part, for my organization, that we have separate the account. But if you are using the free account, you will be only given 40 minutes. So make sure that if you have made up your uh, if you already have that the free account, you will be only having 40 minutes. Depending on the category, only I'll be getting this opportunity. So therefore, I only need to have the 1 hour. Here, your Zoom basic plan has 40 minutes time limit on meeting. Right. So therefore, I also only have this 40 minutes. So I'm selecting. Uh, because of that I only uh, schedule my meeting up to 30 minutes. So if I need to conduct this meeting uh, mm, let's see when we every let's say every Monday. So if you need to conduct this meeting every Monday, you can click this recurrent meeting, or else based on your requirement you can set up the meeting. When it comes to meeting ID, you can generate it automatically, or you can use the personal ID. So this is not relevant, and this is your passcode. And with the based on your meeting, again, if you are setting up this for your organization people, no need to keep them on a waiting room, but based on your preference you can tick this box. And video, uh, host host can be video on, participant also video on, but again it's depending on the situation. So based on that, I create this meeting link by save these all the selected option. Right, my meeting invitation has been created. So what I need to do is I'm going to copy this invitation. So once you going to copy the invitation, either you can use this tab board. You can select whatever the area you need to get copy, and you can paste it to your relevant email or whatever the communication media. You can say share it to the relevant recipient. So with that, this is the basic introduction on how to create the Zoom meeting. So right. So after that, what you have to do is you need to at the particular day you need to start the meeting. Right. Let me start this meeting. So same interface on your right, top right, it be the tab called start with this meeting. So I'm clicking this to start meeting. Right. I need to open Zoom meetings.
Recording in progress.
Right. I have logged onto my Zoom interface. So you can unmute your voice and you can start your video by clicking this thing, and this is automatically recording this video. So if you need to present in some documents, you need to share this share screen option, and at the same time you need to open whatever the PowerPoint presentation or Word document or whatever the documentation you need to be open. Based on that, you can share the click this share button tab, and once you're opening up the share, so your already open document will be appearing here. You can click this and you can press the share to uh, present it to the other recipient. So this is the basic interface of the Zoom meeting once after you have logged in. So on your the bottom of the screen, you can unmute or you can open your video, and the security option. You can show the participants, and chat option is available. And, you can use some reactions, and there will be several apps also. For that, you need to sign with Zoom apps, and again you can use the whiteboard option. The whiteboard option I have give the basic brief idea of introduction with my previous video. Please watch that carefully so you can have the basic idea about that. So yeah, this is a basic thing which I need to share with you all. Hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you have any doubt or whatever the problem, you can put it through the comment section, then I will get back to you with an answer. So right guys, thanks for your time. Hope you have good. Hope you have gained the basic knowledge about what is Zoom app, how to create a Zoom link, and how to join and share your whatever the document or whatever the uh, part with your another team or the whatever third party. So right, thank you.
Re-